Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Artlist assets into Adobe Premiere for timelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Artlist website. Log into your Artlist account using your credentials. Once logged in, browse or search for the assets you wish to download. When you find an asset you like, click on it to view the details. Click the download button to save the asset to your computer. Choose the file format you need, if prompted. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to use the asset. In the Project panel, right-click and select Import from the context menu. Navigate to the Downloads folder where your Artlist asset is saved. Select the asset file and click Open to import it into your project. Once imported, the asset will appear in the Project panel. Drag and drop the asset onto your timeline where you want it to be placed. Adjust the asset on the timeline to fit your project's needs. You can trim or extend the length of the asset using the tools in Premiere Pro. Make sure to preview the timeline to ensure the asset integrates smoothly. Finally, save your project to preserve your changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.